Hi, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your own at-home face mask using just two easy supplies. Rubber bands and an old piece of clothing, so that can include an old t-shirt, an old hand towel, or what I personally used was a bandana. I'm going to show you what the final product will look like. First, what you're going to do is fold the piece of fabric in half to make this kind of rectangle shape. And then you're next going to fold each edge to the middle, so 1 and 2. And then you're going to fold the other edges to the middle as well. So they're going to meet in the middle right here. And this is where you're going to grab your rubber band. So you have actually 2 rubber bands that are going to go on each side. So you're just going to get through on the inside here. And then on the other side. And this part of the rubber band is actually what's going to hook onto your ears. And then just to show you one more time how to put these on, you're going to have the rubber bands wrap around your ears right here. And when you're putting it on, make sure to have it cover both your nose and your mouth. There you go. Thank you for watching.